Hi, this is Andy, and now I'm going to review the AI meeting note-taker for in-person meetings by Bluedot. To use it, install the free mobile app, and then, after you open it, just press the Start button. You can capture and record in-person meetings. You can also just record your own personal thoughts and reflections, leave a detailed voice message, or quickly jot down and transcribe a quick note if it is needed. And to get the result, press pause, then save. And after that, Bluedot needs some time to analyze it. And this is what the audio recording looks like after analysis. You can listen to it in full. You also get a full transcript of the meeting. Bluedot identifies the speakers. And you can also translate the transcript into more than 100 languages. And here, Bluedot generates an AI summary for you. You can find the overview, action items, and topics. And if needed, you can change the notes template and select, for example, sales notes. And Bluedot will generate a new AI summary for you that fits this template. Also, using this app, you can upload video or audio files for Bluedot to analyze. Try the AI meeting note-taker for in-person meetings for yourself. It's free.